Hi all, welcome to the Vision Board community. So today I am inviting to Aleena. Why I am inviting to Aleena? Obviously, she can able to share some success stories. Even the 4 years or 4+ years of gap also after the maternity, she come back to the IT industry, and now she's getting like a better opportunities in the Azure data engineering from application support to transition. So Aleena, I need your like a kind of a motivational speech, I would say, so motivating more people to the community so anyone can possible these kind of a transition, just waiting to your like a transition journey.
Hi, Devi. My transition journey actually starts. I was. Last 3 years after maternity leave, I joined TCS in 2023.
Mhm.
After that, again, I started from the first. Okay, so
Mm.
I was started my career in 2014. So the same position I started from 2023 again, and
Oh.
it was the same role, same job, everything was same. I didn't feel like any improvement in my skills or career or package. So I got only 8 lpa after I rejoined in TCS. So it was basically I have total of 8 years experience, and this 8 lpa is very less. So I thought to move to some other field and some other upskill and to move some other role. So in that search I found vision board through some the social media. So first I was very scared because I already joined one data science course earlier, and I lost
Mhm.
around 1 lakh rupees there because it was like a college curriculum. So I was
Mhm.
unable to cop up with that and study accordingly because of my work schedule, and I'm a mother, so I have to manage both family and work. So it was very difficult for me, and then I drop it off. Then only the last 2 months back I found vision board through social media. So I thought, let's give it a try. And I actually what make me back what gave me that attract, you are not giving some load portions, and you are not just giving some curriculum and doing study, but you are also giving some like mentorship. You are promoting, you are encouraging the people to study, and you are giving some exact way how to study and what are the topics we need to cover to achieve that particular career, and how to upskill. So these all I give me very it was compared to the other the programs and all. It is very difficult for me. Different, and it give me a what confidence, I can do some, I can upskill, and I can achieve something like that confidence I get after the first 2 to 3 classes itself. I got that confidence. So then around in daily, because my I have 9 hours of work, I have to go to office daily, and I have to manage my kid and everything. So I spent that 1 hour class mostly I attended from starting, and then if I miss something, I almost cover that session during free time. So, and I spend around 1 hour daily to study the materials shared and everything. So then from
1 hour also kind of a difficult, right, Alina? Like an every day.
it
So
was
initially people will be taken, Devi, you are only given 1 hour. I'm just telling you, you can start, you can see the difference actually, because even the working people, 1 hour is very difficult, even in the everyday when you're investing. Start investing for the 3 months of time.
Yeah. So actually, I thought like 1 hour is very less. I'm not studying enough. That's
Yes.
what I'm thinking. So then May first week, I started getting calls,
Mhm.
and I started attending interviews. So first few interviews, I studied and prepared, but I was unable to answer well. Because I think I know that what is they are asking, but I cannot deliver it properly.
Mm.
The way they expect, the way they are expecting, I was unable to deliver it properly. Then I
Mhm.
started studying more and preparing more, and based on the I didn't refer any other sites or nothing. I only refer the materials which Vision would shared, and the recordings and projects, everything I referred. And then in Virtuosa I got an offer. So there was two rounds, and one A round and one technical round. Both I got cleared, and I was okay, I mean, very happy with that. And but I'm expecting, but the package wise, I didn't get much increase in from my current LPA, so I'm still finding more offers. I mean,
You will definitely get it because
yeah.
you are currently serving the notice period also. You will get more of Alina. That is not an issue. And
Okay.
like, and one more thing, Alina, already 4 years of gap, went back to the IT industry. So
Mm.
how you arrange, how you prepare, because we are already moving from a comfort zone, and the support are
Mhm.
some support system was not there. So how you prepare the mindset for your 3 months? I can able to crack it. These kind of a things.
So mindset in the sense, I thought only I mean, my current position, because the AI is impacting everywhere. So if I stay another 1 or 2 years in support, I'll lose my job. That definitely I know, because in my project itself, they started implementing AI things and all. Our works got reduced. So I thought the upskill and career changes definitely needs there. So that's why I started thinking of upskilling. And data engineering is an high market value. Data engineering has high market value right now. So I can say, like, if I can do, anyone in this group or in this community can achieve this. Okay, so only we
Yeah, yeah.
need to spend some time, that 3 months or 2 months, which we need to spend some time for studying, and we need to do some hard work. Then definitely we can achieve it.
Because there are many multinational companies are investing
Mm.
their data warehousing because
Mm.
data demand is increasing in the market. So the
Yes.
cloud and the warehousing demand also huge high. The people are not aware about, okay, this much of opportunities are there
Yes.
everywhere. It will not be impact the AI because AI has some limitation. We
Mm.
need human support also to build the systems and all. So what we are doing, like, and we need to prepare, okay, that AI system also we need to aware about, cloud also we need to aware about data. And what will happen, those questions will be longer time, you will be getting a better life and better benefit. So these kind of a repetitive work, application support, QA work will be replacing with these kind of an AI.
Yeah.
But currently you are, I would say, like an Alena, whatever the things you did, right, that is one of the best decision. I am expecting like a more offer letter from your end actually.
Yeah, sure.
And how was the interview also, interview experience?
So when it comes to Virtusa, the first round was actually AA round. So
Okay.
we need the AA will ask questions, and we need to type or answer it. So it was
Mhm.
in office only, in Chennai office. I directly went to Virtusa on weekend, and I attended there. So they gave me they asked 5 questions. So we have to crack at least 2.5 to
Mm.
crack the first round. So I got 4 there. Actually,
Oh.
that was very surprise for me, how
Mm.
I was not sure how I achieved it. And then
Mm.
the manager round, it was mostly it was the Databricks job. They didn't expect anything from ADF side, so it was they mostly focused on AWS and Databricks. So I
Mm.
said I don't have experience in AWS. I was into Azure. So they started asking me questions from Databricks side. They asked my explanation, my project experience and all. From there only they asked questions, and some PySpark coding and SQL. Those are basic questions only they have asked in my technical round.
Okay, okay, that is completely fine. I think
Yeah.
now you are preparing for the interviews and all. I think you will be getting more interviews and preparation, Alina. Let me know any kind of an help you need. Let me know. I will
Yeah,
help you.
sure, sure, Devi.
Okay, okay, sure. Thanks, Alina. Thanks for your time. And let us know, okay? Anything if you
Okay,
want.
okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.